He koanga ngākau, hepi ki ngā wairua.
I learned how to be more like confident. It taught me a lot of confidence. Yeah, it just made me overall a better person.
Ko ngā ringa rehe e nei I te kura meke meke o Tautoko, kua hau wai tapu atu ki te mura o te ahi.
How are you feeling after your debut?
I've never been so nervous in my life, eh? Just the hype, the whole energy. Like, it's crazy, it's an unreal feeling, eh?
Got hit heaps. I don't remember punching him that much, but I must have hit a few because I got the win. But yeah, all I know is that I was just flooding with nerves. Before I got in there, I could barely walk.
It's like being a parent, because you don't know how they're going to go. Yeah, and it was like quite freaky actually for them to finally jump in the ring, and I know that they were nervous and it was their first time and they didn't quite know what to expect. But once they got in there, and it was like, oh well, you know, you're there now, so just have to hope for the best, and yeah, I think they gave their best.
Nā te taumaha, nā te ua o ngā mahi whakaharatau, I maia ake te tū, nā tō rāua kua tangata ngā koranga o te kura nei, ki roto I a rāua.
Had to push. It's a struggle for the sport, but it pays off after the fight. Yeah, we just a lot of burpees, a lot of running. Yeah, just all the hard yakka down here, and then getting closer to my fight, it was just a lot of technique and pads.
Well, when we initiated the fighters class, just gave the boys an opportunity to knuckle down and learn the fundamentals over and over again, and then put that in the ring. They've really adapted well to, I guess, not getting so emotional when the other fighter has a moment and, you know, wailing punches on them, able to sort of steady themselves and come back with their own venom. We really support each other. I won't allow any discouragement of anyone, people laughing at someone trying to achieve something or complete something is a no-no in our gym. So they start yelling and encouraging each other, come on, you know, and it's really uplifting. So no, everybody sort of works well together. They came to us with very limited skill set and limited confidence, and I think in the time they've been with us, they've just grown astronomically, not just in the ring, but at home, we're told by the parents, they've been going really well in other sports as well.
Atu I te māia, me te pakari o te tinana, he maha tonu ngā hua o te mahi meke meke.
It's about friendships, and that friendships gives them the belonging in the gym, and that's what we were trying to build from the outset. Well, you'll find with teenagers, if they don't have their bros here, their mates here, they're not 100% into it, you know, despite what their definite purpose is to climb in the ring or get fit or whatever it is. If their bros aren't here, then it's a no-go. So that's what we've built, and it's the camaraderie between the guys. And you know, we might finish a tough training session, they're still hanging around and talking and high-fiving each other and stuff. So it's created a really beautiful culture for the kids.
He oi, he maha tonu ngā mahi kei te aroaro o te kura nei. Ko te whainga, kia puta anō te hu o tētehi, I tōna pakanga tuatahi.
We've got another one of our fighters is registered now, so we've also got Ethan Douglas jumping in the ring.
Yeah, my bro. All the boys are hyped there. We reckon he's got this one in the bag, but they want to jinx it.
Ko te Kawa Paora tēnei, no te reo wirirangi o Aukaha, mā Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.